Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to pass values between two forms using your C# application. So here I have two form 1 and form 2, and I want to pass some value from form 1 to form 2. So I will show you a simple example first, how to pass the values from one form to other, and then we will go to our original application which we are developing, or we have been developing, in which I log in and the second form opens. And in here I will also show you how to show the username to the second form when he logs in, and the second form will say hello or welcome the username, whatever username you enter. So first of all I will show you the simple way so you understand the concept, and then I will go to our application. So I have first form and second form here. Okay, and in the second form I will take a text box and pass it here. Okay, and I'm not changing the name of the text box, it's text box 1. And in here I will take up text box once again, and I will take a button, so I will take a button, and I will change its text as get value. Okay, so in here when I press this get value button, I should get the values which I enter in my second form. In this form, whatever value I enter in this text box, it should come in this text box. Okay, so first of all go to your second form here and go to its code here, and go above here where your form declaration is there, public form 2, and in which your initial component method is called. So go here in this bracket, and here we will write string and your value. So I will write str value, string value. Okay, so just declare this data type string here in the bracket, and just below your initialize component method, just below that, just copy the name of your text box, which is text box 1, which is a default, and just paste below your initialize component function dot text is equal to, I will copy this string value and paste it here, and then closed. Okay, so write this code in this function and just declare this string in the bracket. Now we will go to the first form in the design, and we will double click this get value button, and in here we will declare, or we will call second form. So I will write form 2 and give it a variable name, form 2 once again is equal to new form 2, and in the bracket we will pass the string value, because this form 2 takes string according to the code we have written. Okay, so once again go to button click event, and in this bracket I will copy the name of this text box which I am passing So I will copy the name, which is text box 1 once again, and in here in form 2 I will pass the value. So dot text. Okay, and then in the next line I will just copy this form variable dot show dialog and bracket closed here. Okay, so in the first form I have written this 2 line of code, and in the second form I have written this 1 line here, and I have declared a string variable here. Now I will run the program and it runs, and in this bracket I will write some string. So hello YouTube, sorry for the spelling mistake, and I just click this get value button, and you see the same string is passed to the other form here. Okay, some other text, blah blah, and see it comes to the second form. So this is a basic way you can pass the values from one form to another. Now we will implement the same code to our original program which we have been developing. So this is the first form, the login form, and our second form is this big form here. Okay, and for example I want to show the name of the user who has logged in. So username, whatever I enter in this text box, I will pass to the second text box, and it will say something like welcome the username. Okay, so once again I will go to the code of this, and in here, no, not here but in the second form, right? So we'll go to the code of second form, and in here in the bracket I will once again declare a string user name. This is string, right? And after my initialize component method I will write, or first of all I will take some text box, no, I will take a label will look good, and I will write here, I will place it here just for now. It's not a good design, but it will just demonstrate what I want to demonstrate. So here this is label 7, so I will copy the name of this label once again to the code, and just below that initialize component dot text is equal to your string value from here. Okay, and then I go to the first form, which is my login form, this one, where is it, this one, and in here when I press login button it should pass my username from this form to another. So I will press this, and this is the code we have written to log in into the form, right? And it's showing here the error because this code is for the correct username and password. So if your username and password is correct, you open the second form, but here it takes the argument string, that's why it's showing the error. So I will just go to first form once again, I will just press this, and I will copy the name of this text box, the username text box. Okay, and I will pass here in wherever my form 2 declaration is there. So paste dot text, and now the error will go. And I want to show something like welcome, and so welcome username, I want to pass it from here. So I will write double quote and plus, and in between this double quotes I will write welcome and this, and then the username dot text. And now I will run the program, and I will give my username and password. In my database I have the username admin, so I will write here admin, and the password is root. So, and I press login, and username and password is correct, and you can see if here welcome admin. So whoever logs in, his name will come here and he will be greeted with his username. So it's very useful when you want to pass the values from one form to other. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.